Come to school too, eh. Oh my beautiful baby, we go get together. I'm looking for this wild, pretty girl that's selling orange around here. Can you? Yo, I'm here.
Hey,
Yo.
why not hearing this English, please? Speak normal.
Whoa. I said I'm looking for this pretty girl selling orange around here.
Orange! That's what you said, sis. That orange. You have to give us something now.
Yo, you little girls of nowadays, you guys like tip. Alright, hold on. Y'all know what this is?
Yes.
Give you now. So you direct me right now.
Okay, we're in this society, yeah? We don't know anything. So just be going. You see what Thank you, bye-bye.
Baby, fire they go. All the boys sit down colo, and they want some porokotom.
I said 350 naira.
I no buy from you now, from my own. I'll call you.
Yeah.
I'll be expecting.
I mean, I buy quick, make I come out, make I buy my own. Who's kind of be this one, sir? Who be this man, sir? Who be this man now? Why don't you just come the charge person like that? Because you wear cap, make I fear you, you be chief? Who's kind of person be this one now?
I go buy
How many
everything.
are you buying?
Wait, you don't do one delivery.
Of course.
Just carry everything. Make you follow me.
Are you serious?
I'll pay you for everything.
Come, stop that rubbish. You think now you get money for here?
You get
What do they
money.
worry yourself?
You get money.
Come, how much be this orange? How much be all of them? I want buy all of them. Let me buy everything.
This is 2,000.
You get money.
2,000. I go pay. I go pay. Forget that thing what y'all they do. Y'all come here, they stretch everybody. If I see fine girl like this, now they go to do anyhow. See am, oh yeah, see the 2,000. See am, hold am. Take the money. Give me the other money. Who's kind of rubbish with this one now?
Oh my God.
You get money.
Okay. You come bring 3,000 now. Okay, don't worry. Another one day. Oh yeah, hold this 1,000 then now. You don't finish.
Take another 1,000. Don't bring. See, a man is not the size of his muscle. Do you still have money?
No.
Do you still have money? Oh baby, take another one. Do you still have money? Hey, you feel like a sell orange. Yeah, ma. But baby, take another money.
Hey!
No, I've told you.
Hey!
Do you still have money?
Now me first you reach here.
Never see anything.
Hey.
Baby, just nobody. Relax.
Hey! This one now. See
Yeah.
Ha! So you don't use money chance me now. See me, a big guy like me. See you go because he gets more change for her, more change. Hey! So don't worry, I will go to ATM. I will go and bring money. By the time I bring money, I will take this baby girl.
This one. This is not orange, man. Baby, you know me? Oh, I like your orange.
Okay.
Baby, let me tell you something. How about this? Mula.
Yeah.
Mula.
Oh my God.
By the time I come back from
Invest me.
I will come with a lot of money.
Back in this thing, let's go.
Okay.
I'm buying your orange. Let's get out of here. Oh, I'm carrying the orange.
I go show you. I go ATM come. I go ATM go bring money.
You don't carry your money, go.
Baby. Take $1.
Yes.
Take this one, buy yourself a car.
You don't carry your money, go. You don't carry your money, go.
Where?
I don't know. Don't follow another man. Yeah.
Keep watching school.